The coronavirus is not a single virus, but a family of viruses that includes the common cold as well as more severe illnesses like SARS and MERS. The name coronavirus comes from the Latin word corona, which means crown or halo, because the virus has a crown-like shape when viewed under a microscope. While the exact origin of COVID-19 is still being investigated, the virus is believed to have originated in bats and then jumped to humans, possibly through an intermediate animal host. It is estimated that up to 40% of people infected with COVID-19 may not show any symptoms, but they can still transmit the virus to others. COVID-19 can affect almost every part of the body, including the lungs, heart, kidneys, liver, brain, and even the skin. The virus can survive on surfaces for several hours or even days, depending on the type of surface and environmental conditions. There are several different variants of the COVID-19 virus, some of which are more contagious or more severe than others. While vaccines are an important tool for controlling the spread of COVID-19, they are not 100% effective, and it is still possible to contract the virus even after being vaccinated. COVID-19 has had a profound impact on mental health, with many people experiencing increased stress, anxiety, and depression due to the pandemic and its associated restrictions.